How to use McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats. So to use McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats, normally what you do to redeem a gift card is that you open up the Uber Eats app, go to the account section, go to the wallet section, go to add payment method and go to gift card and enter the gift card code. But unfortunately, you can't use McDonald's gift card on here because according to McDonald's, rewards cannot be used for delivery orders placed through third-party operators like Uber Eats. McDonald's gift cards, also known as ARC cards, can only be used to purchase goods and services at participating McDonald's restaurants in the United States. Physical cards must be swiped and e-gift card must be scanned for redemption. So I hope this video unfortunately answers your questions and clarifies your doubt about whether you could redeem it or not. They actually disable third-party stores as well, like Uber Eats, so unfortunately you won't be able to do it anymore. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.